Hello, what is up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I grew my channel to over 500 subscribers in just 4 months. In this video right here, I talk about how I monetized my extremely small YouTube channel, and I made over $1,400 in my first 60 days on YouTube. An emphasis on the extremely small. Guys, I had under 200 subscribers when I made my first $1,400 on YouTube. Since starting my channel, I've generated over $6,000 of affiliate income. And like I said, if you want more information on affiliate income and details on how I got that started, definitely check out this video right here. So let's dive into how I grew my channel to 500 subscribers in 4 months. Everything that I've watched and read about growing your channel here on YouTube definitely says that your first 100, your first 500 subscribers here on YouTube is the absolute hardest to get because YouTube doesn't yet know where you fit into the bigger picture of YouTube. Think of it this way. So YouTube is not new. It's been around for a long time, and there are already audiences and fan bases for literally everything here on this platform. In addition to that, YouTube is getting better at predicting what people enjoy and what they will watch all the way through based on previous behavior. Our job as YouTubers is not so much to build an audience on YouTube, but it's really to tap into the audiences that already exist on this platform. So when you think of finance, family, makeup, fashion, travel, all of these audiences are already here. And then there's the niche subcategories underneath those huge umbrellas. When you are new, YouTube doesn't really know which niche market you fit into, and it's really your job to tell YouTube, and actually sometimes YouTube will tell you where you fit as well. My very first tip, and actually the first thing that I did when I got onto YouTube, was that I had a very clear purpose for my content. I don't believe that you need a perfectly thought out target market or a perfect ideal client, but you do need to have a purpose for the content that you are putting on YouTube. The only exception to this, of course, is if you already have a proven business, you've had lots of clients, and you know exactly your ideal client and the service that you provide and the problem that you solve. But if you're brand new, just focus on having a clear purpose for your content, and then later on, you can really narrow down that ideal client and that target market that you're shooting for. My original purpose when I first started the channel was to reveal money strategies for college grads, and it's also evolved into putting content out there for financial coaches or aspiring financial coaches as well. A big mistake that I see with new YouTubers is that they don't have a purpose. They'll start with vlog style content, and the purpose just isn't inherently clear. I also see coaches upload stories or rants or interview style content, and again, the purpose is just not 100% there. My second piece of advice is really to focus on the different strategies for growing your YouTube channel. So the first one would be driving external traffic to your new YouTube channel. For example, when I started my YouTube channel, I had a very small audience, and they were really spread out among my email list, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Whenever I launched my YouTube channel, I made big announcements on all of those platforms, driving external traffic to my YouTube channel. And that helped me gain my first 100 subscribers in the first 24 hours of launching the channel. It is so much easier to grow a new platform from an existing platform. It's still a lot of work, of course, but it's so much easier than just flat out starting from scratch. So what this means for you is to invite all of your friends, all of your family, people that you know, invite them to this valuable content. You shouldn't feel bad or guilty or salesy for promoting valuable content that you know people will get a lot out of. And it's 100% free for them. I think this first step is really what stops a lot of new YouTubers from taking that leap and really going all in with YouTube. It's very intimidating inviting friends and family to watch you on YouTube, and that imposter syndrome monster really starts to come out. But this really leads me to my next tip, and that is having a really solid launch strategy. So when I launched my YouTube channel, I had already recorded, edited, and uploaded 3 YouTube videos so that the content was there and it was waiting for people to go and watch it. The only thing I wish I had done differently or better was that I wish those first 3 videos had been longer. They were very, very short, like between 6 and 8 minutes, I think, and it was very difficult to make the videos the very first time. It took forever to record them, editing, the whole process and workflow. I was still figuring it all out, so it took a lot of time to do those first 3 videos, which is why they're shorter, but I really wish I would have worked extra hard to extend those and make those a little bit longer so that when people found my channel for the first time, they had quite a bit of content there waiting for them. So my tip for you on that is to not underestimate how much work goes into the beginning of launching your YouTube channel. It's not going to be easy recording tens, dozens of 15-second 4K clips the first time and editing and piecing those together, but make sure that there's good quality content so that when you invite people, you can do so confidently. The next growth strategy, so that's all on driving external traffic to your channel. The next growth strategy is harnessing YouTube search or SEO. So YouTube is the greatest search engine in the world, and even as an extremely small YouTube channel, you can still harness this feature and make it work for you and get that extra exposure for your videos. Diving deep into SEO takes a lot of time, and honestly, it's like a whole video all by itself, probably in the future. But the most important thing with YouTube SEO is that you want to balance competition and search volume. If there's not enough search volume, it's not worth doing a video on. If there's too much competition, it's not worth doing a video on because you're going to be drowned out because all these other YouTubers have content on that topic. So you want to find a really healthy balance between search volume and competition. When you find that balance, you really want to then focus on your tags, including tags in your title, your description, the actual content itself that will really tell YouTube, hey, this is exactly what the video is about. And if someone is searching for this topic, they're going to find their answers in this video. This is also how you get recommended on Google searches. If you've ever searched something on Google and a YouTube video pops up, this is how people are able to optimize their videos for that. Another growth strategy is making sure that your videos are optimized to be suggested by YouTube. So what does that look like? How do you know if a video is optimized, and how do you know if YouTube is going to want to suggest your videos? Well, a lot goes into this again, but optimization looks like this. Take a look at your analytics, look at your thumbnail click-through rate to make sure you have a really strong hook and a strong title that's going to want to make people click the video. Make sure that your watch time is extended. If people are clicking out of your video early on, that's not going to keep them tied to YouTube. So you want to make sure that watch time is over 40%. And again, a lot of this is going to come down to the analytics, and YouTube will ultimately tell you through your analytics what's doing really, really well and what's falling behind. I absolutely love the YouTube analytics. There is so much data that you can use to make decisions about the future of your channel based on what is doing well and what is not. So that way you're following the trends of your channel. And here's a few more things to follow in order to get suggested by YouTube. Don't have a long intro, just get to the point of the video. Don't do a lot of B-roll or wasted segments of the video. It's not an aesthetic TV show. People are typically looking for answers, or they want to be entertained on a very short attention span. Don't have clickbait thumbnails or titles. They can be eye-catching and spark curiosity, but make sure that you deliver within the video. Also make sure that you have very clear HD thumbnails, and footage that is 4K is ideal. Adding captions better optimizes your videos, and make sure that all distractions are taken out of the background. To get to 500 subscribers fast, you need to have a purpose for your content. You need to pay attention to the 3 growth strategies here on YouTube. You need to have a strong launch plan. The next tip I have for you is to pay attention to certain trends within your channel. So at this point in my channel, I've got about 25 videos uploaded, and this is definitely enough to see which videos are doing really, really well and which ones are falling behind. But it's not enough just to say, oh, some are doing well and some aren't. We have to try to understand why that is so that we can continue to make videos that do really well. There can be several different reasons for this. It could be the SEO for one video is so much better than another one. It could be the topic is so much saturated in this area than in this one. It could be I sent this video to my email list and I didn't send this one. There could be so many reasons for certain videos doing better, but overall, you want to look at the trends within your channel and follow the videos that are doing well. For example, my content for financial coaches has done really well and it continues to trend upward. I also have a paid program for financial coaches. I love creating this type of content, so this makes perfect sense for me to continue to follow this trend on my channel. Another tip is that I have 100% committed to my upload schedule. Ever since I launched May 1st, I have uploaded every single Monday at 9 a.m. And this is so important. YouTube is going to favor committed YouTubers who are consistently uploading content. I've read that YouTube doesn't really start suggesting a ton of your content until you reach about 35 videos because they want committed YouTubers. They want people who are consistent on the platform. When you hit 35 videos uploaded to YouTube, you want to be ready and already have everything optimized up to that point. I don't think there's anything special or magical about having exactly 35 videos uploaded to YouTube, but it really all goes back to where you fit into the bigger picture of YouTube and how clearly you've told YouTube where you fit. There is probably something around this time, 30, 35, 40 videos uploaded, that the YouTube algorithm is able to finally see where you fit into the YouTube audiences if you've been consistent with your content up to that point. I would absolutely love to meet any other new YouTubers that started their channel in 2020. Definitely go down below in the comment section and say hi. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you got value out of this video today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.